Hi guys, well today I'm going to show you how to attach Wndmuffs to the Sony a5100 camera. Now the problem with this camera, there is no external microphone hole to put like a Rode mic on, so when you go outside you are going to get wind noise and it's not very good. It makes your videos rubbish. So today I'm going to show you how to attach them to the top. So I bought these Ride Coat micro wind jammer off Amazon. They're about £9–10, something like that. And basically what you get these little sticky things with holes in the middle, and you get the Wndmuffs themselves. Now I've never done this before, so I'm going to show you how to do it. Now you can see that the microphone is here and here. So we have two holes to cover. So we just peel these off. As you can see there. Nice. And we just put it over the top of the microphone. Now one thing that could be a problem is we have the flip up flash here. But if you're using this for video, like I do, then it's not going to be an issue because I don't use it. So you want to make sure, push it down, make sure it gets any gaps are covered. Because obviously you don't want no wind getting underneath this. So peel these off. So the top bit is now sticky and we have the Wndmuff here. So you've got the fluffy bit and the flat bit, which we are going to attach to the top of this. Okay. Looks like a little hedgehog. You see that? Now obviously this camera's going to have two of them. Let's do the same on the other side. It's a pain having two mics because obviously there's more to cover and it looks a bit weird, but like I said, it's better to look weird, to cover the flash if you just want better audio. And at the end of the day, if you're filming, that's what you're going to need. So yeah, let's just make sure these are stuck properly around the edge of the camera and the microphone. Don't want no gaps. Don't want no wind getting underneath it. Put it off. It's ready to go. We're now going to attach another Wndmuff. Like that. So much better. It doesn't bother me. Some people say, oh, it looks silly. But it doesn't really, because the audio you're going to get is so much clearer. You can go outside and film. And yeah. I was out the other day at the weekend with my children. We went to a country park and we were climbing up these like cliffs and climbing trees and that. It was a nice hot sunny day, but I'm sure some of the audio would have had some wind noise on, obviously being outside. So there you go, that's the finished article. You reckon? So when you've got the vlogging screen up, you can still basically see all of it. Doesn't affect the lens. So yeah guys, pretty straightforward to be fair. I will put a link for this in the description, and like I said, it's only about, I think it's around £10. And you don't only, it's not only used for this camera, you can use it for DSLRs, other cameras that don't have the external mic hole. Or if you don't want to use an external mic, or you don't want to buy one, or you don't like them, and you just want to stick it on your camera like this, job done. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time.